welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this ginormous box of slime because I had to get it. It was $20 at Target. I mean, I thought it would be more, but it's actually not. So I got it. I had to because it says super slime unboxing right there. Oh my gosh. So these are the ingredients inside. 2 glues, actually, I'm not gonna say it. I'm just gonna make it a surprise. So, I'm going to start by taking this off. Got that. Okay. Yeah. So these are, what is that? Instructions. It's slime. Okay, so this is the first box. I feel like this is gonna be glitter. I don't know why it just gave me like a glitter. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff. Okay, so in here I have this mixing bowl. These little, like, I guess fishbowl beads, small ones, blue glitter, green glitter, purple, pink, white, more white, and blue, gold, and silver glitter. And then I have these moons. I guess those are moons, right? Those are like moons. I got these just rainbow glitters. These stars. What are they called? Oh yeah, these are smiley faces. I forgot what they were called for a second. I got googly eyes, guys. I don't think I want to put these in slime. I don't know. I might just be crazy and put some in. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look, they're little unicorns. Oh, they're cute. I got hearts. Ooh, you know what? I have like a wheel of glitters, and I have these hearts in them. I'm gonna put those in. And then I have these bigger rainbow sprinkles. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look, they are, what are these called? Seashells. Glitters. And last but not least, I think those are the last glitters. They are butterflies. So, next one. So yeah, I think those are all the glitters. Oh gosh, this is a bigger one, and it has tape on it. So I will come back to you guys once it is untaped. Boom, and I got it untaped. So in here I got foam beads. I love foam beads. Yeah, I also got big slime ball. That wasn't in the package, but just wanted to point that out. Ooh, I got clear slime. I have like 1,000. What? Something is leaking in here. Because that bottle's wet. Why are these all wet? What is leaking? Oh my gosh. I think all the slime activator is leaking. I think this, because there's not like any in. Oh my gosh. I think the box is like soaked, which is odd. And then I also got this clear glue. Oh my gosh. And I got these. Why is everything wet? Okay, yep. This is leaking because the lid must have not. Where did that just go to? That was not screwed on all the way. And then we got paint. And then, I don't know if I want to take all these out. I don't know. But then we got all these bowls. I'm just going to leave those. Ooh, down to 2 more. I can't get this out. Got it. Okay. What in the world? That last one's really heavy. These are heavy. And I'm going to look at the ingredients. I want to see what, I'm going to try and guess. I don't know what this is. 22 pre-made slimes, and these are all the 22 pre-made slimes. That does not look like there's 22. I don't want to do, okay, whatever. So, we got red. Okay. Oh, this is nice. It's a really nice red slime. Okay, so we got red, pink, orange, another orange, blue, kind of like a mint color, another blue, yellow, and purple, pink, and green. And we got 2 clear, crystal clear, super gooey fun slimes. Okay, now last but not least, this one. Okay, so this one is pink. I don't know what this one would be. Activator. I don't know what this one would be. I really don't. What was? I swear I got all the things. Oh, you know what? This is probably the rest of the 22 slimes. It has to be, because then I just got it off. Yep, this is the rest, guys. Ooh, these ones are like glittery. Oh, this one I think has pigment, maybe. Yeah, I think these ones have pigment. So we got a glittery gold and a pigmented gold. We got a glittery blue and a non-pig. I think this is pigment blue. And then we also got this. Okay, I'm gonna see if these ones are pigment. I don't know if they are, but they look like it in the bowl. Oh, they are! Oh, this is so pretty! Look at that. Yeah. Okay. And they look all like this. This is pretty. I like this one a lot. And then we got a beautiful pigmented purple and a glittery purple. I want to feel the glittery one. I can never get these little ones open, and I don't know why. Oh. It's kind of sticky. Okay, we're good, I think. Okay. This is very crackly, but kind of ready. It's kind of hard, but kind of not. Where did the book go? Okay. And then, guys, we got. Then we got a white glittery slime. And we got a pigmented gray ugly slime. Then we got this pretty pink glittery slime. I'm gonna play with it because it's also the last thing that I have. I'm gonna blow up my sleeves before I play with this one. These glue. Oh my gosh, why is it on the lid? Like on the top of the lid, like it was out of the bowl. Oh my gosh, guys, look how pretty! It's so pretty. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know what. I think I'm gonna either put them back in the boxes and then put them in this huge box thing, or I'm just gonna put them all in the thing. Yeah. So, wait, what? Why is this one slid halfway off? So yeah, whenever you get this, do not read the instructions, and instructions are not appropriate because Yeah, slime is very easy to make. You don't need instructions. You just put some glue and some activator, some coloring, and then some glitter in. Or whatever you want. And then it sometimes turns out like this. Or sometimes it turns out to be gluey or just really hard. Yeah. Oh my gosh, excuse me. So, I think that's all of them. Yeah, that is all. That is going to oh my gosh, that is going to end today's video. Sorry guys, this is very pretty. And I kind of made this. Yeah, so I would rate, well, I mean, I haven't really tried out every single thing, but I rate this slime, the pre-made slime, 1,000 out of 10. I like the way it came in the box. It was very neatly organized, and now it's just a big old pile on my floor. Yeah. So I would rate this probably like 100 out of 10. I really like it. Oh my gosh. So I don't think I have enough room on my slime kit for all this stuff. Okay. So I might just put it in the bin, or I might just find room. Yeah. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button if you want to be notified every time I post a new video on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it? If you did, comment down below, hashtag you did it. And also hashtag no, don't hashtag that. Comment down below if you have ever had this slime kit before, or if you have ever had Nickelodeon glue, slime, or activator. Yeah, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Also, guys, oh my gosh, my stand. Okay, whatever. So, I had $20, and we went to Kohl's, Five Below, and Target. I only wanted to pop it, and none of the stores had it. Target had 2, thingies for it, and there is none left on the rack. So, I got this giant thing for $20 out of 3 stores, and I could have gotten 5 other things, but smaller slime. I could have gotten 5 small slimes. I could have gotten 20 of these slimes for $20. But no, I chose to be extra and gave all this. Yeah, but I think it was worth it. How do I already have hair in this slime? Yeah, but it is worth it.